So basically I found this sample on sounds.com and it sounds like this. So this is like the second time I recorded this video. So basically this is what I've done. I've got a drum break from Black Kit Volume 3 by Illmind. Where is it? And then all I done is I separated the kick, the hat and the snare. As far as the sample, I've chopped it like this so far. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can add some more elements. Let's get to it. I'm gonna change this pad's choke group, so it gets cut off when the other pads are playing, and vice versa. So I've just added it to choke group 1, like the other pads are on. Go. Truncate this, and we're getting it a bit tighter. I wish there was a way to fine tune on the micro hardware controller. If anyone out there knows, leave a comment below. Right, let's just hear this now. The group that has the sample, or the sample that the group's on, I've added an EQ and I rolled off 12 dB at 240 Hertz so that I can add a bass line. I'm using the Scarby bass. Okay, let's just play around and see what we can come up with. Let's just lay this down. All right, let's go ahead and edit this, see what we can do. So yeah, this is what I've got so far. Added RC20 for a little bit of flavor. Yeah, I don't know really much to add to this, but we'll see. Let me know your thoughts, comments below. If you haven't already subscribed, like, dislike, and I will be seeing you in the next one. If you want tips and tricks on Maschine and the Maschine Micro and Maschine Studio controller, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Again, thank you for the support, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.